In this video, I will show you how to set up your Noon Seller Lab account once you have access to it. On your left-hand side of the screen, you will find the navigation panel where you will have all the necessary options for your use. First, click on the settings and then click on Warehouse. Make sure that your warehouse is currently active and has all the necessary details which are required for this warehouse. The warehouse will be used for Fulfilled by Partner, which is also known as FBP, where Noon associates come to your warehouse to pick up your customer orders and fulfill them on your behalf. If this warehouse location shows inactive for any reason, you will not be able to fulfill FBP orders. If you'd like to add new warehouse locations, click on the Add Warehouse on the top right side of your screen to initiate a new warehouse. The warehouse name could be anything you want as long as you can identify that location. When you scroll down to the bottom, you will find the notification preference, which is how frequently you would like to receive an email for an order confirmation reminder, and default processing times, which is on average the number of days you would take to process and deliver the product to the end customer. Default processing times can also be seen by the customers on the product listings page, where the estimated delivery time will be reflected according to this default processing time. So make sure that your default processing time is as least as possible. Next, click on the settings and click on account. Here you can see all the details of your account, and what we are looking for actually is the green check mark, which indicates the active status of the user. Next, we will go back to settings and click on return transfer preferences. Here you can see the settings which are enabled for returns directed towards your warehouse. These returns could be order rejections, customer returns, defect returns, etc. If you would like to configure your return transfer preferences, click on the top right button and you will see various options for the type of return.